Let's go.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
You guys, I got a new caddy today. I got a big one. She got Thai. Hey, we like that. What's your name?
Gun. My name Gun.
Gun?
Yes,
Gun. Oh, okay, you got the gun. You single? Are you single? You have boyfriend? You have husband?
Not I do.
You know? Oh, okay.
No.
You Thai? You Isan?
Thai.
You Thai?
Stay Pattaya.
Oh, okay. They got every shape, size, and color. They got thick ones. They got dark ones. They got nice ones. They got small ones. Hello friends and welcome to the Gulf Serengeti, Caddy of the Day. This particular caddy is thicker than a snicker. By the confidence in her dern, which means walk in Thai, clearly tells us it's almost mating season. Locking eyes and zeroing in on her target, she points in my direction as if she has something in store for me. As her hips steadily sway back and forth, I knew right then we had to give her a nickname. With legs like these, her nickname was abundantly clear. THICKI, MINAJ.
I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks that I
Oh. And this one we call Chili from TLC. She's not too proud to beg. Chili can't put in a... This one we call Lek. Lek means small in Thailand. Wait a minute, we're talking about it. Who do you think should be caddy number one? Is yours? Oh! Grazing in the grass, the beautiful gazelle-like women give us an example of a particular angle while working on their twerking. Although these feminine cuties might be lacking in the back end, the fit, friendly, submissive software, in my opinion, blows the BBL-injected, big-booty, thought, materialistic, unappreciative, matrix-infected mindset out of the water. I'll take a feminine pancake over a manly biscuit any day, especially if the BBL biscuits can lead to loss of money, heartbreak, or even deletion. How you say big legs in Thai? How you say big legs?
Kayai.
Kayai. She got the kayai. Y'all like
booty.
Big booty. No, that's
Duyai.
Duyai, big booty. But kayai, big leg, right?
Pupui.
Hey, no, my pupui. Pupui is like kind of fat.
Ani Uan. His name Uan. His name Uap.
No, she not Uap. She got it in the right place. Caddy of the day coming up. Golf date coming up. I'll set you guys up with a golf date if y'all serious about meeting a single Thai woman. Not playing no games, just really trying to find somebody cool. I'm gonna set y'all up with a golf date, man. Make sure y'all check in. info@zoomtothailand.com. Type in golf date. Hey, where I go? Ding ding. All right. No, not Sam. Let me teach you Thai song. Shy. She done called me a lady boy. You ready?
Yeah. Nice.
A baby?
No.
You don't have a baby?
No.
These big old ladies, you don't have no baby?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How old are you?
I don't know. Are 22.
22.
Yes.
Thick as you want to be. 22, you did. 22, no baby. You hear that? 22, no baby, and she's single. Y'all got to get on this golf date, man. Can't make this shit up. Oh, there go my girls, Sadika. How are you? Nice to see you. Sabadika?
Sabadika.
All right. Every shape, size, and color. Can't make this shit up. Whatever you into, they got it. What you want, baby? What you want? Yeah, but which one? Sing high. Tell her you want that sing high. Oh, wait a minute. Bye bye. Bye bye.
สวย
There we go. Hey. What you bending over for? What you bending over for with your thick self? Thicki Minaj. We'll call you. Thicki Minaj. That's what we're gonna call her. Caddy of the day. Caddy of the day, aka Thicki Minaj.
Hey, she selected that song.
Yeah. Chili from TLC right here, y'all. See what? You see Chili from TLC? Alright, first I named her Beyonce, but she like Nicki Minaj, so I named her Beyonce Minaj, y'all. This is Beyonce Minaj. She got them thick Beyonce Minaj legs. Yeah, I'm sure. You sure? I know what you want. You want to drink that brew house. She ready for a beer.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. She ready to get her beer. She don't play. Beyonce Minaj. This is Beyonce Minaj right here, y'all. Caddy of the day. Hey, go on, let's sing it, baby. Sing it. She a little star. She a little star right here. She a little star right. Now y'all like the melanated ones, but they still got thick ones. You understand me? That's what I do. I get thick caddies. Play golf, do my thing.
มึงตีลูกผิดค่ะ
Talk that. You have to get used to that too. They talk
No.
that. You hit my golf ball, Ted. Huh? Huh? Are you serious? My ball went to the hand.
ตีลูกผิดค่ะ
Sorry, Cow. Sorry, Cow. Hey, little MINAJ. That's my little Thai Nicki Minaj. She like Nicki Minaj. She got the thick leg like Nicki Minaj. You dig? Who do you think should be
This
Caddy
one,
today?
this one, this one,
This is Caddy today?
this one, this one,
This be Caddy today.
this one, this one.
But guess what? Thicki Minaj. Caddy of the day. I can't make this ish up.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
What up, Gary? Actually, man, it's my day off with my caddy of the day. This is one of my shows I'm doing called Golf Date, where I bring you guys on a date with a golfer. Single, no kids. Show Gary. Say hi to Gary. Say hi, Gary.
Hi, girl.
Hey, thinking in a snicker. You dig? If you're looking for love on the golf course, have no fear. Golf Date is here. Email us info@zoomtothailand.com and then in the subject type in Golf Date. You must fill out a short questionnaire that if you say yes to all of the questions, you may qualify to be chosen for an episode of Golf Date. Serious inquiries only.
Golf day.
So we're gonna take you on a golf date.
Golf day.
Yes, golf date. So if y'all like a nice thick 22-year-old with no kids, single, she likes to drink though. She like to have fun.
Yeah, I like
On a golf date.
on a golf day.
Hey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. She know I'm looking, so she like to put it in my face. Thicki Minaj. Hey. Where we going, Thicki Minaj? We going up here?
Okay.
Bye, Thicki Minaj.
Go.